Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to add Docusign to a PDF document. Whether we need to insert signature fields or prepare a PDF for electronic signing, this simple guide will help us do it quickly and easily. Now let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, to create a document on PDF, we just need to have a document file. Here, we have an example of a PDF file. As you can see, if we check the properties, it's a PDF. It's a no-tolerance PDF. Let's look at an example. Here is a notary's form with GD. We will add a notary signature, stamp, print name, or a date as well. Now let's go back to Docusign and start. Click Start, then Envelopes, and select Sign a Document. Once it's loading, here we can upload our PDF. We just need to click this Upload. Then, from our desktop, click that PDF file. As you can see, it's a PDF. Make sure to sign. Let's just wait for the PDF file to load. Let's continue. Allow this website. Now here, we will create our document. Let's put our name. Then, we will add our signature. We can adjust signature. We can edit them if we want. We can also add date and time. Enter our emails here. For example, we can have that design sample. Once we're done, click Send. Once we hear the sound on this check button, it means we now have our PDF signed on Docusign. And that's how we add Docusign to a PDF document. The document we prepared can now be sent out securely and hassle-free for electronic signatures.